You're listening to Tech Chat with Samantha, the podcast for CEOs and business owners who want to simplify, systematize, and scale without breaking. I'm your host, Samantha Pointer, certified automation service provider and owner of Samantha Pointer Enterprises. After going through my own seasons of crisis and survival, I learned that automation isn't optional, it's essential. Every week in just 15 minutes, more or less, I'll bring you stories, strategies, and practical steps to help you turn tech into your hardest working employee and build a business that runs without you. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Chat with Samantha. Today we're talking about why you're working for your tech instead of the other way around. If you feel like you spend more time clicking buttons, troubleshooting apps, resetting passwords, or manually patching things together than actually doing the work you care about, you're not alone. And this episode is going to help you understand why it's happening and what to do about it. This didn't happen on purpose, and it didn't happen overnight. Most business owners build their tech stack reactively. You needed a scheduler, you signed up for one. You needed email marketing, you grabbed the cheapest option or whatever someone on Facebook told you, right? You wanted to sell digital products, more tools. You needed automation, Zapier Make enters the chat. Every tool solved a moment, not a system. And moment-based decisions create long-term tech clutter. Soon your business will look like 12 to 20 apps, scattered data, disconnected workflows, and no single source of truth. This is the start of working for your tech. Let's talk about the hidden costs, because this is where business owners start to feel the strain. When systems don't speak to each other, you're copy and pasting the same information multiple times. You're duplicating work you shouldn't be doing. You're manually tracking customer data. Leads fall through the cracks, follow-up becomes inconsistent or not existent at all. You have no visibility into what's actually working. This creates what I call business drag. Everything still moves, but it moves slowly and with a lot of friction. Most CEOs don't realize tech chaos is one of the biggest hidden expenses in their business, not just in dollars, but in time and energy. People love the idea of automation, but they want automation to fix a messy backend. Here's the truth you might not want to hear. Automation does not fix broken systems. It exposes them. If you don't have documented processes, a mapped out customer journey, clear steps for each stage, defined ownership, or purposeful tools, then automation becomes stressful, overwhelming, and unpredictable. Automation is the reward you get for doing the foundational work first. It's not the starting point, it's the scaling point. This is where tech starts to make sense. So there's 6, 7 stages really in your business that businesses should follow, right? There's the attract and capture, nurture, offer, close, deliver, and follow up. When your tools align with these stages, everything becomes smoother. Your CRM knows where a lead is, you automate timely follow up, you deliver a consistent customer experience, you stop losing leads, and you stop doing everything manually. When tools are chosen without this framework, you end up with overlap, missing gaps, duplicated features, silos, and tech that needs you to push it along. This is the difference between a system and a collection of apps. So let's talk about what it looks like when tech works for you. When your tech supports your process, your lead capture is automated, your nurture sequence runs without you, your CRM updates itself, clients get consistent onboarding, payments and reminders run automatically, you spend more time being the CEO and not the technician. This is where your time, your strategy, and your sanity come back to you. And this is what I want every business owner to experience. not more tools, but smarter systems. So let's talk about how to take back control of your tech. Step 1, you want to audit your tools. Write down everything you're using. Yes, everything. Step 2, define the job of each tool, not its features, its job. Jobs clarify whether you need the tool or not. Step 3, identify overlaps and gaps. Overlaps means wasted money, and gaps means wasted time. Step 4, map your customer life cycle. Place every tool in a stage. If you can't place it, that's a red flag. Step 5, simplify before automating. Cut, clean, streamline. And then step 6, automate intentionally. Automate only what's documented and consistent. This is how you get your tech under control, not by adding more, but by aligning what you already have. So, your first step is a tech audit. I know there's a lot that we talked about in this episode, and you might be like, oh my God, you want me to document all the tools I use? You want me to assign this, map that? And hey, I got you covered. That's why I created my DIY Tech Audit Starter Kit. With that, it'll help you see your full tech stack in one place, understand what's working and what isn't. It'll help you map out your customer lifecycle, identify automation opportunities, and make decisions with clarity. And if you want an even deeper clarity, you can also book a technology breakthrough call with me, and I can talk to you more about your business and what's missing, what you can shore up, and how I, Samantha, can help you get it all automated so you'll stop being the bottleneck in your business. So again, don't just let technology run you, you run the technology. And that all starts with the tech audit. So thank you for tuning in. Remember, your tech should support you, not exhaust you. If you want to learn more about the Tech Audit Starter Kit, you can go to organizingguru.com and you'll see it listed. And it'll also be in the show notes how to get started with that. I also do full tech audits. If you don't have no interest in doing it yourself, I get it. I can help you with that also. So again, until next time, keep automating smart and building a business that runs without you. That's it for today's Tech Chat with Samantha. If you're ready to stop being the bottleneck and finally get your systems working for you, grab the Tech Audit Starter Kit or book a technology breakthrough session at organizingguru.com. Thanks for listening, and remember, your business doesn't have to run you into the ground. With the right systems, it can run without you. Until next time, happy automating.